Personal transformation is not only about personal growth, yet about cleaning up the negative impression you have left behind. Not only what led to the breakup, yet how you responded to it. The please don't go, let's try again. The I hate you, love you, please leave, oh no, don't leave, and the many other times of acting sort of unhinged, all fueled by a fractured self esteem. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today on Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been created exclusively for you to help you navigate through any of the challenges which often accompany a breakup. The need of a personal transformation is not for the purpose of exhibiting your character defects. No, it's for fixing them. It's for acknowledging their weaknesses and through it, transforming them into your strengths. It always starts with what value you place on yourself. There is a small story I want to touch on, which I refer to it quite a bit, and it's the likes of a dandelion. In life, we can choose to see ourselves as weeds intruding in others' lives or see ourselves as free-flowing flowers complementing each other. To those that need a reminder of your self-worth and value, you must remind yourself that you are uniquely precious, that you are amazing. Furthermore, believe that we are all in this together and that really we are all wonderful. Sometimes it's hard to see value when someone walks out of our lives. All we see is the weeds in us, and we forget that we initially attract them, weeds and all, with all the characteristics of the flower which truly lives inside each and every one of us. Feeling like a weed in a world of flowers is crumbling to our self-confidence. Remember, we cannot lead from behind. We must look to build ourselves up to our full potential. Affirmations are an amazing tool to take you to where you really belong to be, and that is the best version of yourself. I encourage to start your day reminding yourself that your mere existence, let's say that again, your mere existence brings beauty to the world, that without you, a vacuum will be created, whether in the life of your parents, your family, friends, colleagues, your ex, and even if you have children. We are valuable. We begin to stunt the potential within ourselves when we lose ourselves to another. And in the process, they lose interest in us. I cannot count the times my clients insist that their partners need to know how much we love them. I totally disagree. Not during a breakup. What they need to feel, they are losing you. I extended on the importance of affirmations in my recently released seminar on the law of attraction, which I'll touch in a bit. So, the goal is to build yourself up while creating a forever impression, 1 minute at a time, starting by looking within. Clean house. Remove the toxicity created by negative memories. Lift your energy level by focusing on all that you do have, on visualizing as if you are in a good place, just because. Delighted to be alive, delighted at the opportunity of turning a crisis into a breakthrough. So many ask me, Abby, how is my ex going to know that I have changed? Simply by giving them space. They need this space. They have asked for it. There is so much power in silence. Every relationship is defined by an element of a power play. In a perfect world, we would share power. Obviously, we don't make our world perfect. Yet one thing's for sure, you cannot give all your power away. How can you bring someone to the negotiating table if there is nothing to negotiate? After the initial period of relief, an ex experiences after a breakup, that period where they really feel, I don't have to deal with that person anymore. Feeling the negative memories begin to diffuse, releasing the grip of anger. Your absence begins to be felt. They begin to get curious about what you're up to. It is so crucial that during this period of distance, you have been working on you. You cannot showcase your changes if they are not authentic. Sure, you can wing it and act as if you did, yet trust me that it will be short lived and you will go back to being the person that your ex needed to walk away from. I invite you to book a session with me, and together we can work on the personal transformations, the personal changes you should consider to become that best version of yourself. Please hit the subscribe button below and share your comments on this or any other video, and I will respond in a timely fashion. Also, please don't forget to check out my newly released seminar focusing on the law of attraction in the link below. I am beyond pleased by the amazing reception it has received. Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, Coach Danny, Coach Priyanka, myself, we are all here available to assist you in any way we can. Let us help you focus on creating a roadmap uniquely designed for you for the purpose of maximizing your chances to get your love back. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.